By the end of this video, you will know how to use Pinterest to plan your wedding and how to organize it best for vendors to see your vision and get results when searching for pins. In case you don't know, I'm Shanice Banis. I'm a pro organizer, lifestyle blogger, and wedding planning expert for my site, cityofcreativedreams.com. So, you have Pinterest. Have you been pinning lately? Cool, so have I. But you're getting married and want to utilize your Pinterest account towards planning your wedding and communicate best with your vendors. I'm going to talk about that today. I'm going to show you the best ways to find what you're looking for when searching for pins and organize your Pinterest boards best for your vendors, aka your wedding team. Create a Pinterest board. I actually have an article on my site called How to Create a Wedding Pinterest Board. I will link it below this video in case you're interested. But today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make one. Once you go into your Pinterest page itself, you will see an overview of your pins. Okay, so if you are new, you may not actually see anything in this spot. It will tell you to start pinning instead. But if you're like me who has an account already, you are going to first need to click the boards button. You will see a blank square with a red button with a white plus sign. Click the Create Board button to create a board. Name it. For this sake, I'm going to name this board Dream Wedding Ideas for My Wedding Someday. Next, click Create. That's it. So next you want to organize your board. So you can do this regardless if you have a blank slate or not. But the point is you're going to want to break down your Pinterest board into categories, such as flowers, dress, tablescape, invitations, reception, ceremony, and more if you want to break it down even further. Now, if you already have a board that has pins in it already, then you can always repin them into the new board. It's very simple. Just click on the image, press repin, and which board to save it to. So you can choose to do this within your Pinterest board. Just click the Add Section button and you'll be able to create a category within your wedding board. So I will tell you why I am making you do this in a second. But first we're going to talk about how to search for your pins. Is this way of using Pinterest for your wedding making sense? If it is, write love below in the comments. Skip general, search with focus. So I discussed this in my last video, how to really find your wedding vision. That Pinterest is a search engine and not just a black hole of crap ideas. Okay, so it is a little bit, but it's also like Google. So you gotta be focused when you're searching, especially for your wedding planning. So you're gonna wanna use terms related to your style. So that could be bohemian or elegant or simple. It really makes a difference, and your pins are more catered to what you're actually looking for. So it's like it's catering to the style that you want. Then all you have to do is pin to the correct board that you have and you're all set. And repeat the process. I am a high believer of showing and not telling vendors. You'll get what I mean in a second. Simply describing your vision is not enough. And it's not going to play out the way you envision just by describing it. Why? Because vendors can't read your mind. And that's a fact. What elegant means to you could be completely different to your vendor. So you want to show them what you are talking about. That is why you want to show them and not tell them, to avoid any miscommunication and to make sure that you two are on the same page. Let's face it, talking is talking, But if I show you an image, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. We can't see the same thing when you talk compared to showing what you're actually talking about. And this is where your Pinterest board comes in handy. So when you sit down with your florist, you can actually pull up your Pinterest on your phone or tablet if you happen to bring it with you and show them what you're talking about, the flowers that you want. Even if you don't know the name, actually it's perfect if you don't know the name, that way they can see what you're talking about and they will know what you're talking about. It's very simple. So remember that this would definitely help any miscommunication because they are actually seeing what you're talking about compared to you saying it. It's right in their face, so they can see what you're exactly describing and wanting. If you're serious about organizing and planning your own wedding, then grab my freebies below this video and snatch up some goodies. I mean, who doesn't love free? So grab those. Also, if you know a bride-to-be who would love to know my secrets and being your own wedding planner, then share this video. It would be beneficial for them. Did this video help you at all? Are you ready to utilize your Pinterest to planning your wedding? Let me know in the comments below this video. See you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!